10 ways to make him afraid to lose you. Have you ever felt like you're giving your all in a relationship, but you're just not sure if he values you as much as you deserve? Maybe you're wondering how to make him realize just how amazing you are and be afraid to lose you. If you're looking for ways to make him cherish you more and keep the spark alive, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing 10 strategies that will make your partner realize how valuable you are and make him afraid to lose you. These tips are based on research, personal experiences, and stories from people just like you. So let's dive into these strategies. Number 1, practice detachment. Detachment doesn't mean you don't care. It means you don't let your happiness depend entirely on him. This shows that you have a balanced perspective and that you can be happy on your own. Imagine he hasn't texted you back all day. Instead of stressing about it, focus on your own activities. Maybe you go to the gym, catch up with a friend, or dive into a hobby you love. When you see him later, don't bring up the missed texts in a confrontational way. This calm, collected demeanor shows that you're not overly reliant on his constant attention, which can make him realize your emotional independence. Number 2, let him know that you are prepared to walk away. This doesn't mean you threaten to leave at every disagreement, but it's about showing that you value yourself enough to not settle for less than you deserve. Imagine you're consistently feeling unappreciated or disrespected. Instead of silently enduring it, have an honest conversation with him. Say something like, "I need to feel valued and respected in this relationship. If that's not happening, I'm not sure if this is the right place for me." This shows that you're not afraid to walk away if your needs aren't being met, and it can make him realize he needs to step up. Number 3, prioritize yourself. Ensuring that you have a full and balanced life makes you more attractive and shows that you don't rely solely on him for your happiness. If you love painting but have been neglecting it to spend more time with him, start integrating it back into your routine. Join a painting class or set aside time each week to work on your art. When he sees that you're passionate about your interests and prioritize them, he'll realize that you have a rich life that he's lucky to be part of. Number 4, go for a new look. Sometimes a change in appearance can reignite his interest and remind him of why he was attracted to you in the first place. Consider getting a new haircut, updating your wardrobe, or experimenting with a different style. When he sees you looking and feeling confident with your new look, it can make him realize he needs to keep up and not take you for granted. Number 5, set boundaries when needed. Boundaries are essential for any healthy relationship because they define what you are comfortable with and what you expect from your partner. If he tends to call you late at night expecting you to always be available, set a boundary. You could say, "I value my sleep and need to stick to my routine. Let's plan our calls earlier in the evening." This shows that you respect your own time and needs, which in turn makes him respect you more. Number 6, do not let him take away your efforts in vain. This means recognizing your worth and not allowing your hard work and efforts to go unappreciated or unnoticed. If you've been putting in a lot of effort to plan dates, show appreciation, or support him, but he's not reciprocating, it's time to address it. Have a conversation where you express your feelings. For example, "I've been putting a lot of effort into planning our dates and making sure we have a good time together. I'd like to feel that my efforts are appreciated and reciprocated." This shows that you value your contributions and expect the same in return. Number 7, take a break from replying. This doesn't mean playing games, but rather showing that you're busy and have other priorities. If he texts you during the day, don't feel the need to reply instantly if you're in the middle of something important. Take your time to finish what you're doing before getting back to him. This shows that you have a busy and fulfilling life and that you're not always waiting by the phone. Number 8, do not try to please him. Trying to constantly please him can make you seem overly eager and less confident. Instead of always agreeing with his opinions or going along with what he wants to do, express your own preferences and stand by them. If he suggests doing something you're not interested in, politely decline and suggest an alternative. This shows that you have your own mind and are not just trying to please him, which can make him respect you more. Number 9, avoid sex. The 9th way to make him afraid to lose you is to avoid sex for a while. This can shift the focus back to emotional and intellectual connections. If you feel that your relationship is becoming too focused on physical intimacy, have a conversation with him about taking a break from sex to focus more on other aspects of your relationship. Plan activities that allow for deep conversations and bonding. This can make him realize that your relationship is about more than just the physical, and that he needs to connect with you on other levels as well. Number 10, make yourself busy. Having a full schedule shows that you have a fulfilling life and that you're not always available at his convenience. Fill your calendar with activities that you enjoy, whether it's work-related, hobbies, or social events. When he sees that you're busy and not always available, he'll realize that he needs to value and prioritize the time you do spend together. So there you have it, the 10 ways to make him afraid to lose you. These tips can help you build a stronger, more fulfilling relationship where both partners value and cherish each other. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Brainy Lab, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to check out the next recommended video popping up on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.